Hello everyone, I'm Michael from Mayflowerhair. Many customers usually send an email to ask us questions. The frequent questions, what great hair about your products? I know many sellers ranked their hair 9A, 10A, even 12A, on and on. But if you visit my website or my Instagram page, you only can see I described that my hair is 100% virgin hair and original raw Indian hair and Brazilian hair, double draw Vietnam hair or Fumi hair. Why? So let me tell you the truth today. Actually, to say no any government office or quality institution, for example, for TUV, they don't have the quality standard for human hair products. I have been doing this human hair business 9 years already. I know in this market I only have 4 kinds of hair. The first one is raw virgin hair. Secondly is Remy. Lastly, non-Remy hair and fiber hair. Raw virgin hair is 100% unprocessed by any chemical. And this $1 hair, you can bleach to color easily, you can restyle, and it's still durable. Remy hair has been lightly processed, but always 100% human hair. But for long Remy hair and fiber hair, it's for faster fashion. You can only wear long Remy hair or fiber hair 1 week, 2 weeks. So the raw hair and virgin hair is worth for their price. Now you will get the answer already. So if you for more information or any unclear, please send me email or follow us. See you next time.